Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope you're doing good. Today I am making a red and black buffalo checked wreath, and I am using a 14-inch wreath frame from Dollar Tree, and I am using also some pipe cleaners from Dollar Tree and 2 rolls of the 18-inch deco mesh from Walmart, and it is 18 inches by 9 feet, and it's a fabric-like material, and I believe it's a little bit less than $8 a roll at Walmart. It's different from the regular deco mesh that I normally use. It's a little bit thicker material, and it's a little bit more difficult to bend and make poofs and loops with, so it's just a lot thicker deco mesh to work with. But you're going to take your pipe cleaners and you're just going to, at the intersections where there's a bar, put a pipe cleaner at the top, and then you're going to also want to put one at the bottom. I didn't put the bottom ones on first. I went ahead and did it after I did the first layer of the deco mesh, but I usually add both rolls at the same time, but you'll see what I'm talking about in just a second. So take your deco mesh, gather it in your hand, and then put it in your first pipe cleaner, push it down to the wreath form and give it a few twists, and then tuck the end of the deco mesh to the back of the frame. Then you're going to want to make your first poof, and you're just going to roll your outer edges inward, fold them kind of under, and make your first poof, and mine measures about 12 inches. And you don't have to measure it each time. You can kind of eyeball it usually and look to see that you're making them about the same size, but about 12-inch poofs works good for this wreath. Now this is going to be an extra fluffy Christmas wreath or buffalo plaid check wreath. I don't know if you want to use it for Christmas or not, but I went ahead and added some Christmas ribbons, so mine's going to be for Christmas. But just make your poofs about the same size each time. So make a poof, go to your next pipe cleaner, give it a twist, then make a next poof all the way around your wreath. Now you're working on the outer circle for this first roll of deco mesh. It will take the full 2 rolls of the deco mesh to make this wreath. So 1 roll for the outer circle, 1 roll for the inner circle. And then you'll want to fluff your loops each time. And just try to make your loops about the same size, because that way when you hang it up you don't have to do much fluffing or adjusting because everything's about the same size. So just continue all the way around, and like I said, this is a fabric deco mesh, so it's very different to work with than the shiny deco mesh like that Dollar Tree sells. Okay, so once you have your outer circle finished and fluffed, you're going to want to add your pipe cleaners to the inner circle. Same place as you added them for the outer circle. That crossbar, just add a pipe cleaner, give it a few twists. You're going to do that all the way around the wreath form until you have the inner circle wires at the crossbars. And then same steps as the outer circle. Just make your 12-inch poof, put it in your pipe cleaner, give it a twist. Make your next 12-inch poof, put in the pipe cleaner, give it a twist. All the way around, and it's going to take all of your 18-inch deco mesh. You're not going to have any left over on this wreath. I did add a sign to this wreath, and then I also added a bow. And the sign, I picked it up today at Hobby Lobby, and it's a little metal sign, and I believe it was $11.99, but this week Christmas is 50% off at Hobby Lobby. So I picked up 2 signs. Both of them said joy, but one's in the red and white buffalo plaid check, and then the other was in the black and red buffalo plaid check. So I didn't know which one to use, so let me know if you like the white and black one or the red and black one. Let me know in the comments. But this is how it looks, all fluffed and with the 2 rolls of the 18-inch deco mesh. And here's the 2 signs that I was talking about. So let me know, should I have went with the red and black instead of the white and black? Let me know your thoughts. But these, like I said, are half price this week. You can usually get at Hobby Lobby, use your 40% off coupon, but I went ahead and bought a few things since everything was 50% off this week. And these are really nice. I'm thinking about making a couple swags for my door and getting a couple more of these signs because I just think they're really pretty. And so I used one of the joy signs, and then I also made a bow with a 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire from Sam's Club. And I had those little berry picks out that I got at Walmart, but I didn't use them. So I am just tying a bow and my loop's probably about 4.5 inches, and I'm just going back and forth, trying to make the loops the same size on each side. Now if it has a design, you have to twist to keep the design on top, and ribbon with wire works best. So just try to make your loops the same size, and I did 3 loops on the left, 3 loops on the right, and I let out a tail when I started and when I finished, and I am using 20 gauge floral stem wire to wrap around the center of my bow. There's all kinds of things you could add to dress this wreath up if you wanted to. You could add some Christmas ornaments, more ribbon. It's just whatever you like, but I just kind of kept mine simple. So make sure after you get your deco mesh on that you either cut off the extra pipe cleaners that are sticking up or fold them down. So make sure you do that. And then I just took my bow and I just threaded the wires through the wreath and then went to the back and gave it a few twists. And you can either cut off your wires or fold them down. And then remember to always fluff your loops of your bow. So after I got my bow attached, then I just added the joy sign. And Hobby Lobby has some really cute things in for Christmas. So if you haven't been, you might want to go to Hobby Lobby this week before the sale goes off. But I found all kinds of cute things. I thought about doing a shopping haul and sharing what I bought, but I know a lot of people don't like to watch hauls, so I didn't know if y'all would want me to share another one or not. But here I just took the joy sign, and I'm just taking some floral stem wire, and I'm just threading it through the O in joy, and then I'm going to thread it through the deco mesh, and then give it a little twist, and I'm attaching one of the wires to the inner circle wire of the wreath form so that it does not move on the left, and then I'm doing the same on the right so that the sign will not move. Okay guys, and that's it. I just hung it up on my door and I just did a little fluffing, and this is a very fluffy and full wreath, so if you like full wreaths and fluffy wreaths, I think this one will be the one for you. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate all of your kind comments and always watching. Y'all are so sweet, and I do appreciate y'all. I hope you have a great night. And I will leave a materials list for you in the description box below.